Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing an unboxing / install and review of this headband wig that I have on right now. This video is sponsored by Wigs store on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Here's the package that the wig comes in. This headband wig does come with 2 free gifts. Well, actually it's 3 free gifts. So we have 2 headbands here. The next thing that comes in the package is this. Almost all wig companies send. This is a weaving cap. And then last but not least, we have the wig. If I'm out of breath, it is because I have 3 weeks left until, as you can see, I have 3 weeks left until baby girl is here. So first we're gonna get into the color, okay, because this is so cute. It's like a very pretty chocolate brown with some highlights going all throughout it. It has a lot of body. That's what I noticed first thing first. And again, this is not a human hair wig. This is synthetic, but this is some good synthetic hair, y'all, okay? So these vendors have been stepping their game up. And again, this is a headband wig. So this is the headband. It comes attached on the wig already. And as usual, it is a Velcro strap towards the back. That's how you install the wig. Super easy. And then you have your wig combs on the inside. So this is the inside of the wig cap. You have 1 wig comb at the top front center. You have 2 on the sides right here. You have 1 in the back center area right here. I love the nice luster, like the nice natural shine that it has. It just looks like some freshly silk pressed hair. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this wig, which is gonna be real quick and easy. This is cute. This is real cute. I have never, okay, fun fact, I have never tried a style like this, meaning like the length and the cut. This is giving me grown and just, yes. And look at the color. It's the perfect density. Just run your hands through it, just get into it. So easy to run my hands through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. The Amazon store that this wig is from is called Gowit, Gowit store. This is the main picture that you will see when you search for it on Amazon. So they have this wig in 10 inches and they also have it in 24 inches. This is a heat resistant synthetic wig. So you can apply heat to this hair, meaning like if you do feel like you need to touch it up with a flat iron, you can go ahead and do so. Just make sure that you keep the heat low. This specific color that I have here, it is called HL6/30/27. But that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed this install / review. Definitely go and check out Gowit store. Thank you guys so much again for sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked down in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and go on Amazon and start shopping. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this wig. Let me know if you guys are gonna go ahead and check them out and grab you a wig too for the love. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next from me on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't joined the Vibes family already. What are you waiting for? I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.